The Bank of Cardiff. That's what I'm proposing. I mean, Canton, this used to be a bank. What we should have in buildings like this are community banks right across Wales. What the Welsh Government should be doing is opening up community banks to support local business. Imagine we had a community bank in Cardiff, the Bank of Cardiff. It would need £20 million to be set up, and it could lend £160 million. Imagine the boost that would give the economy of Cardiff. Imagine 8 banks like that around Wales funding viable projects. Imagine the difference that could make. Politics should be about solutions. With Propel, it is. You can take our Solution Saturday, Solution Sunday on Facebook every single week. A solution to our economic problems is to create community banks, to finance local business and give people opportunity.